I welcome all of you on YourPedia Education. As you know, YourPedia is the I think only platform where we are guiding you extensively for your admissions in various universities, India and abroad. And in India, if I talk about, then it is through COAP, CCMT and various masters courses. Now this my video is for those of you who are proceeding forward in various CCMT rounds. Now you are reaching the very crucial stage of CCMT rounds, and then spot round will also be there. So many of you are to decide whether you should reject option and go to spot round, accept it and go to spot round, or you should take something which is given to you through COAP, or you should take something which is given by CCMT. So that very crucial decision is to be taken. You know, fees is very high in NITs and fees is high in even BITS Pilani kind of institutes and self-sponsored seats, and winter admission is also coming. So that is also one of the criteria. If your CGPA is very good, let's say 8 plus CGPA, then winter admission is one of the opportunities for you. Why you will join NIT, why not main IIT or old IIT with the core branch. So these are the crucial decision which is to be taken, and these are very important. YourPedia is similar to the COAP group, similar to the group which we have created for COAP. YourPedia is going to create a dedicated group for CCMT also. Those of you who have taken some, who are getting some kind of opportunities in CCMT and want to decide what to do, for them dedicated WhatsApp group will be created, in which mentor will regularly keep on guiding that what decision is to be taken, and advice will be provided there. So we will create these groups dedicated for CCMT. Those of you who want to seek the guidance and counseling of mentors of YourPedia in this regard, that what is to be decided, they please fill this particular form, and our executives are going to create the dedicated WhatsApp group for all of you. Now let me request you, if you are already in any of the WhatsApp group of YourPedia, you need not to again fill the form. If you are already in COAP group, if you are already in some groups of YourPedia, if you are already a registered member of YourPedia, you need not to fill this Google form again. You have to fill this Google form only if you are not registered so far, or you are not in any of the WhatsApp group. So let me repeat, those of you who are going in CCMT and getting some opportunities and want to make a crucial decision, please fill this form, and our executive will put you in particular WhatsApp group or particular branch, and our mentors will regularly guide you how to proceed in further very crucial rounds, and how you have to decide forward, and maybe some more information will be provided to you. Hope you understood my point. So let's decide genuinely, let's decide very cautiously what opportunities we have to explore. Thank you.